Hey, what's going on? It's Aaron, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 different real websites that actually pay out every single day. You can get started if you're an absolute beginner, and we're going to start from the really basic, and we're going to start to move to slightly more advanced websites that pay a little bit more, alright? So I'm going to jump on my screen right now, and the first website right here is called Hideout TV, okay? Now, if you come to hideouttv.co, literally, you can come here, sign up for free, you can sign up from anywhere in the world, and you can just start watching videos, okay? So this one right here, for example, is a 52-second video. This is a 17-second video. And the way it works is every single one of these videos will show you ads, right? So the way that Hideout TV makes money is they display ads to you on their videos, and the more ads that you watch, the longer the videos that you watch, the more money that you're gonna make. It's actually very, very simple. Now, there are a lot of other websites like this out there that are not legitimate, but Hideout TV has been around in the marketplace for a very, very long time, and they really do pay out to your PayPal account, all right? So you must have a PayPal account if you want to get paid out, and basically how this works is roughly, if you watch about 10 videos, you will make about 1 cent, okay? So it's not a lot of money, all right? But it is a real website, and they definitely do pay out. So it is one of those things where it is a little bit time consuming. You're going to have to spend time watching the videos, right? But they really do pay out. And it is a very lazy and easy way to just kind of come here, log in for free, watch the videos, and slowly over time, you're going to build up some income, right? So at least it's legitimate, and you can really start making money this way. They don't pay out that much, right? So, you know, it's just one of the options, but let's move on to the next one, okay? So watching videos is one strategy. Hideout TV, hideout.co, right? The next one is filling out surveys. Now, there are a lot of different survey websites out there. Generally speaking, survey websites will pay out anywhere from, 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, all the way up to $2 per survey that you fill out. Now, this website right here is called Survey Time, and the domain is surveytime.io, right? The nice thing about Survey Time is that they pay you $1 for every survey that you fill out, which is nice, okay? So it pays a lot higher than a lot of other websites out there. And you can, get access to this from anywhere in the world. You can just sign up with Google or Facebook right here. Again, they pay out via many different payout methods, but one of the main ones is PayPal. So again, it'll be nice if you have a PayPal account to get paid out. And it's very simple. You literally just log on here, and they would display different surveys for you when they become available, right? And you take the surveys, and for every survey you fill out, you make $1, which is pretty cool, all right? So this is a nice way to generate some income, just filling out surveys from anywhere in the world. Again, it's not a huge way of getting paid, but it's legit, it's real, all right? And anyone can get started. You can be a beginner, and you can get started right here. So Survey Time is a cool way to start making some, real money online without really having any skill sets, right? The next one is a GPT website. Get paid to do something, right? So there are a lot of these websites out there. I've reviewed a lot of them, and some of them are really good. Some of them are just kind of so-so, right? So Free Cash is one of the better ones, okay? freecash.com. And again, the cool thing about this website is that you can sign up from anywhere in the world. So you just click, sign up right here. All right. Give them your details. You can even sign up with Google, right? You can sign up with Steam or just your regular username and password. And the way that this kind of website works is there are a few different ways that you can earn money, right? The first way is something called offers. All right. Now, offers, basically, you can, if I go to the all offers right here, they work with different very, very large offer vaults. All right. And each offer vault allows you to do different things. Like, for example, you can download a game, okay? And you can see how much you can get paid here, right? So you can see here $8, here's $19, here's only 4 cents, here's 94 cents, right? You can, different amounts, $3.61, and it's a different types of offers. Some of them are games, some of them are applications, some of them are casino offers, right? And what you have to do basically is you have to complete the actual offer exactly the way that they say it. So for example, with Magnet Miner, right, potentially you can make $28.85 from this offer, right? But you're going to have to need to complete the offer exactly the way that they say. Okay, so sometimes you have to, play the game until level 10, or you have to achieve certain milestones within the game, maybe level 50. So sometimes these offers can take as quickly as a day. Sometimes it might take you a few days, or maybe even a week or two in order for you to complete that actual offer, right? But It's free and it's legit, and they really do pay out. So if you want to check this out, this is one of the ways that you can earn coming into the offer wall, right? Another way that you can earn on websites like Free Cash is you can take surveys. So very similar to Survey.io right here, right? Free Cash actually works with many different survey companies. Okay, so BitLabs, CPX Research, Pollfish, InBrain, Tap Research. These are some very big survey companies, right? So what Free Cash is doing right now is they're basically aggregating the surveys. Okay, so what you could do is you could come in, you could sign up for all of these large survey companies, right? And instead of just filling out one survey from, for example, Survey Time is a specific survey website. What you're doing is you're working with large survey companies, and for all of the surveys that you can fill out or you qualify for, they will serve them to you, and you can quickly go and fill them out. So you can start generating a little bit more income. Now, unfortunately, not all of them pay as high as Survey Time, because Survey Time pays $1 a survey, right? These guys will pay, between 10 cents and $2 per survey. It just depends, right? Now, each survey has a different amount of time. Some are, 1 or 2 minutes to fill out. Some are 30 minutes long. So it just depends on what survey that you get. But the more you fill out here, the more money you can make right there, okay? And then what you can do is you can actually cash out, right? So you can cash out here with Free Cash. They cash out with many different ways. You can cash out through PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doge, right? Bank transfer, AirTM, depending on where you live in the world, right? There are many different ways for you to withdraw, okay? So Free Cash is one of the better, I would say, GPT websites. Look, you're not going to make hundreds of dollars here, right? But if you really focus some time on this, you could probably make a few dollars every single day, and that will sort of build up over time. If you fill out the offers, right, and you're really diligent with filling out the offers, then you can potentially generate a little bit more money, because some of these offers pay a little bit more. But also understand that some of these offers do take a little bit more time than just a day. For example, some of them might take a few days for you to actually achieve some of these offers. I mean, if you look at this one, $175, but you're probably going to have to reach quite a high level in Rise of Kings in order to get that particular offer or bonus, if that makes sense, okay? So that's a GPT website. Another great website that's real and legit and really does pay out is a user testing platform like usertesting.com, okay? So usertesting.com right here. And what this does is user testing is a research and UX AI basically platform. So they work with a lot of different websites, a lot of different apps, a lot of different companies that want to test out their website and find out if the flow, if the UX is good, and if they have any bugs, okay? So what you can do here is you can click on Get Paid to Test, and you can sign up with them, all right? And you can do this from anywhere in the world, and you can read all the instructions right here, all right? You can apply, you can browse, you can test, and essentially what you're doing is you are testing different companies, products, and services to make sure that they are of high quality. That's all. If you find bugs, if you don't like the product, that kind of thing. And a lot of the time you'll have to record your screen, right? You'll have to go through the product and basically give them feedback on the product. That's all you're doing, okay? Now, you can make between $10 and $60 for every test that you do, which is not bad, all right? The only thing about user testing is, unfortunately, you're not going to get, 10 different tests a day. It's more like whenever they've got a product that meets your background, your profile, they're going to be able to send you that test, and then you can actually test it. And if you do a successful test, depending on whether the test is a short test or a long test, because it can be as short as filling out a simple survey, or it can be as long as doing a one-on-one interview with one of their panel testers, if that makes sense, right? Their panel interviewers. So between $10 and $60 for every single test, and that's one of the ways that you can actually start making money. Again, it's beginner friendly. It's 100% free, and you can do this from anywhere in the world, okay? So this is a pretty cool website for you to test out. Definitely one of the better user testing platforms out there. The last website that's real and legitimate, right, is basically becoming a freelancer, okay? Now, there are a lot of freelance websites out there. Fiverr is one of the, OGs, okay? 600-pound gorilla here, and literally you can offer services in all sorts of different areas. So, I started from very easy, Hideout TV, no skill set at all. You just kind of watch videos here, but you don't get paid as much money, but it's real and legit. and it can build up over time, right? Then you got surveys. Again, you don't need any skill set here. $1 per survey. A GPT website, you can do a few different things like download offers, play games, fill out surveys, right? Again, no skill set really needed here. User testing pays a little bit more, right? But again, unfortunately, you don't get offers, or testing every single day. But when you do fill them out, between $10 and $60, which is really good. And then freelance services, this requires a lot more effort, but it is a real website, it's legit, and you can build up your portfolio here. So for example, there's things like, offering graphic design services, right? Look at this. I mean, if you have skills in any of these areas, logo design, brand style guides, app design, website design, image editing, presentation design, background removal, simple things like that, right? And you can learn these skills very, very easily too, right? In this day and age, you could go on YouTube and learn any one of these skills and learn to become a freelancer on Fiverr. Program and tech, this is a little bit more technical, obviously, right? Digital marketing though, look at this: SEO, e-commerce SEO, email marketing, web analytics, music promotion, podcast marketing, crowdfunding, a lot of different ways to do it, right? Video and animation, writing and translation, anyone can learn how to do writing and translation, right? Music and audio, business, consulting, data, AI services, right? So you can even become a virtual assistant and start offering services here on Fiverr, right? Now, people charge anything from $5 all the way up to hundreds of dollars for their services. So you could actually start to get really, really good at this. I'll just go into the writing and translation because this is, a little bit more easy for a lot of people to offer, right? So let's just say resume writing or cover letters, for example. Anyone can learn to start writing a good cover letter and offering these services. Let's take a look at some of them, all right? So $30 here for a cover letter, $40 here for a cover letter, right? Cover letter for $45, $55. So people actually offer all different types of prices. $15, $10, $15 there, right? $40, $125, okay? For Lucas's W's recommendation expert opinion letter, okay? Depending on what you want to do. So this is a cool way to start generating a little bit more income. 100% legit, okay? Fiverr is one of the best freelance websites out there, all right? So here you go. This is your list right here of 5 different real websites that will actually pay out, all right? And you can get paid out pretty quickly depending on how much effort that you put in, all right? So I hope you enjoyed this list, all right? Now, if you're here looking to make money online, now these are some great ways to make money online, right? Especially as a beginner, you can start, some of them don't pay as much, but you can start with something small, slowly build up to some, more advanced websites. Obviously offering freelance services is much more advanced, but some of the top freelancers in the world make between $3,000 and $5,000, okay, offering their services. So it is very, very possible to do that, right? Now, out of all of these strategies, there is one of the ways that I like to do it, and I think a beginner has the best chance of going from zero to earning more than that, $5,000 to $10,000 and much more. If you would like to check out that strategy, I actually go into it in a lot of detail on the link below, okay? So these are some great ways right here, but if you would like to find out my favorite way, just click on the link below and I'll share that strategy with you. Hope you enjoyed this video today. See you on another video very, very soon. Take care.